Hey guys, and welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips to improve your photography. And this video is specifically made for those who are starting out. So if you're a professional and already know how to take photographs, this video is probably not for you. But if you want to stick around, more than welcome. Anyway, let's jump in. Tips number 1, take photos every day. Go out and, in this scenario, you cannot really go out unless you are allowed to with a station and a mask. But that being said, if you have a camera and if you have time, go out and shoot as much as you can. That will help you improve a lot. Because I appreciate that you're in this video and I'm watching how to learn photography, but the best idea is to go out and shoot as much as you can, create your own style. So that's my tips number 1, shoot as much as you can. Tips number 2, watch your background. Take this example. Here, I don't have much of a distraction behind me except that painting, which is beautiful. But you really don't want too many distracting background if you're taking especially portraits or minimalist photography. Because, for example, you are taking a beautiful photograph of a tree, you don't want a bright light source anywhere in the corner that is very distracting. And believe me, it sounds very simple, but a little tiny distraction can drive your viewers away to something else and probably will be very less interesting. So watch your background for photo and for video. Tips number 3, you got to slow down. In this age, you have a smartphone or a camera that can take as many photos as you want, but that doesn't really mean that you have to and you're obliged to take many photos. You have to look around and ask yourself before you take the photo, why I'm going to take this photograph and what is the story this photo is going to tell. That's the photography is all about. A photograph is supposed to tell you a story about a place, about a person. So before you press this shutter button, you ask yourself why, and why. Then you press the button. Trust me when I say that it will save you a lot of time in front of computer when you're editing your photograph and trying to come up with a story behind this photograph. So enjoy the area or a person for yourself first, then take a photo. Tips number 4. It's very basic but extremely important. Use the rule of third and always make sure your primary subject is on one of the rule of third, either on the right, like me in this video, or on the left. Unless, of course, you're taking a photograph with that's where you want your viewers to look at, which we call the dominant subject, which is me. Right now, I'm coming closer and I'm right in the middle. But other than that, for landscape photography or street photography or cityscape photography, it is highly important to follow a line and follow the rule of third. Learn all about basics. What is shutter? What is ISO? What is aperture? Did you know that birds fly in the sky except chicken? You got to learn all the basics. Because with money, you can buy expensive gears, flashy gears, but with knowledge, you'll be smarter and you will have more confidence. Sort of 2020. Anyway, I hope this nice and quick video has been very, very helpful to you. And if so, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.